Oh, they're leather. Oh, that's probably why I bought them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here and clicking on this video. My name is Veronica and I am a part-time reseller. I sell primarily women's clothing on the platforms Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and occasionally also on Kidizen and ThredUp. And today I have another unboxing video for you from BACKSTOCK. So I did one of those a couple weeks ago when I received my first order from BACKSTOCK. They are an online liquidation company. However, they don't really sell pallets. They sell individual items and you can basically pick and choose what you want to buy. They are a website that charges a membership fee, so you want to, figure out if that's worth it to you. I got a really great deal on my membership. They had a special, so I got the yearly membership for $10, which was totally fine for me. Normally, their yearly membership costs $60, and then the monthly one is $10. So definitely look out for specials and special offers and such. Maybe get on their mailing list to see if you can get this for a little bit cheaper if you're interested in sourcing this way. Okay, so let's get started. I just recorded a what sold video and totally forgot to mention my thrifted item that I'm wearing, so I want to make sure I do that in this video. So this shirt underneath here is just a little buttons, that's the brand, buttons tank top that I got from the bins. No, I got that from a regular thrift store. I decided to keep it because I liked it. Anyway, I wore that in my what sold video that I just recorded and that you may have seen. This other item that I'm wearing, also thrifted, and this one is from the bins, is this Simply Vera Wang duster open front cardigan. It's kind of an ombre and it has that whole what's it called, handkerchief, I guess, silhouette to it. I pulled that out of the bins and decided I like it for myself. I would not have picked up that brand for reselling anyways, but I really liked it. I love a good slightly oversized long duster open front cardigan moment. I live in these things, so it's really cozy and it's cute, and I'm wearing it in my video because I'm trying to wear thrifted items in all of my videos and tell you a little bit about them. I tend to pick up a lot of brands that I would not pick up for reselling to keep for myself because there are cute styles out there. People will not necessarily buy those on Poshmark or eBay or wherever, but you can always thrift them for yourself. So, okay. Moving along from the thrifted items that I'm wearing to the online liquidation items I bought on BACKSTOCK.com. So again, this is my second order, and this time I ordered 9 items. I only received 7, and I'm only going to show you 6. Let me explain. I ordered 9 items, and when my order shipped, I actually saw online that it said it was partially fulfilled. So 2 items that I ordered, I have not yet received. I also have not heard anything about them, so I will reach out to BACKSTOCK and make sure that they will either still get shipped to me, maybe they're coming from a different supplier, I don't know, or if that's not possible, that they reimburse me for those items. Obviously, if I'm not receiving them, I should get my money back. So I'll keep you posted on that. But I received 7 items out of the 9 that I ordered. 1 item was just a little pair of shorts for my son, so I'm not showing that. I already threw that in the wash. But the rest of these items I will show you today. So I have 6 items here, and there is a good bit of Free People in there again, but also some other brands, and everything is new with tags, and I will tell you how much I paid for them and then how much I hope to sell them for. Okay, so here's the box. I actually already emptied the box. Okay, so YouTube reality. I have all these items already out of the plastic. They all come in their own little plastic bags, of course, just like when you order from a regular online retailer. And I took them out of the plastic so I don't have to do all that on camera. I have my little packing slip. That's the word. I have my little packing slip here. So I always average out my cost of goods, and I did the math on that when I thought I would receive the additional 2 items. So my cost of goods for the 8 items that I purchased to resell was $8.60, and that's including shipping and all, averaged out across all of these items. The lowest priced item was $4, the highest priced item was $8. Since I did not receive those other 2 items, I have to redo the math, and I'll just put it somewhere over here. My guess is that my average cost of goods per item is going to be in that same $8.60 range, but I don't have that number right now, and I just came home from a long car trip yesterday, so I'm a little bit tired. So I don't want to math right now. I will do that when I edit this video and give you the cost of goods somewhere here, but I think it's going to be in that same $8 to $9 per item range for new with tag items that retail for quite a bit in some cases. So let's get into it. Like I said, there's a good bit of Free People in here again, and then also some other brands that I think will do well / styles that I think or hope that will do well. So let's start with the shoes today. Last time I ended with the shoes. Today we're going to start with the shoes. All right, I got a pair of Sanita clogs, and let me get them out. So they're new in box. Okay, everything is new with tags or new in box. I will say sometimes you get items with backstock that come in what looks like the original plastic bag with a label on it, but it doesn't necessarily have the tags on it. I had that in my last box for 1 item out of the 8 or 9 items that I had bought on that order, but everything in here is new with tags or new in box. So just putting that out there in case you're considering backstock, but everything is new. I don't know if they're doing customer returns or not, but everything is like unworn. So, okay, I got these Sanitas. They're super cute. They have this zebra pattern in pink and a little pink, what's it called, ribbon for breast cancer awareness. I'm pretty sure. I don't think it said anything about that, but that's usually what it's for, right? And these are just kind of like Dansko's little clogs. And they're tiny, okay? They're a size 35, which I believe is like a 5, maybe 5.5. I mean, look at how cute and tiny these are. I wear a size 10, so these are just doll shoes to me, basically. But there are people out there that wear a size 35 and they need comfortable shoes too. So if you know a nurse or a teacher or somebody who's on their feet a lot, well, I guess teachers, I'm an educator too. I'm not on my feet a lot these days because I'm not in the classroom, but anyway, so a size 35, they are the Sanita Zebra Life Leather Clog. Oh, they're leather. Oh, that's probably why I bought them. So they are leather, which is exciting. Or Dansko's leather? I think most of the time they are. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Okay, so these, again, average cost of goods, I showed you that earlier, but they were priced at $8, which I think is going to be right around my average cost of goods. And there's a second one in there, no worries. So, but they're super cute. Also, Sanitas have the little Danish flag in there. Yeah, I thought they were adorable. I normally try not to pick up really small shoe sizes like those because they just tend to sit longer, just like really small size items or petite size items tend to sit longer for me as well. But they were so adorable and they're new in box, so I think they will sell. It just might take a little bit longer and I don't have a whole lot of money into them, so I'm fine with that. We'll try it out. We'll see what happens. I've never picked up Sanita before. I've found them before. I don't know if Sanitas have the same issues that Dansko's have, that their sole disintegrates at some point. I have to read up on that, but other than that, they look exactly the same as Dansko's. All right, let's do the Free People, shall we? All right, the first Free People item I picked up is Intimately Free People, and I will add some stock photos for these items. It's a lace and mesh bodysuit with this little floral detail all over. It is a thong bodysuit. It does have the snap buttons. Yes, it does have the snap buttons, and it has a little keyhole button closure in the back. This one is the Free People Makeout Mesh Bodysuit in the color Ivory. it's a size extra small. So again, smaller sizes, I don't want to say I avoid them. It's just, you know, they just go very slowly for me. I'll show you the label. Intimately Free People puts the size on the label, and it's really very tiny over here. You can barely see it. But anyway, so this cute bodysuit retailed for $78. I will probably list it for about $38, hoping to get $28. That's me just guesstimating things without having actually looked up what they go for right now. I mentioned this in my previous backstock video. A lot of these items are items that you would also get in a Free People liquidation palette, or that you may have seen other resellers pick up online if they're doing retail arbitrage or buying pallets or other liquidation items. So it's really not something that's not already out there, and the market is slightly saturated on these items, but I think they will still do well. We'll see. Okay, the other Free People items, the other 2 Free People items that I got in this order are both the same item, just in different sizes. So same color and all, so I will only show one of them. Okay, I need to find what is happening? Okay, the stock photo is great. I will do a poor job at showing this, but it's also an Intimately Free People bodysuit. Sorry if my watch is vibrating. I'm getting notifications from all kinds of places on my phone. So it's this bodysuit. It has a lot of lace and the Swiss dot accents. It's basically open back with a button closure up here at the neckline. And yeah, it's just really, really beautiful. I've definitely seen other people pick this up. It is the Free People Winnie Lace bodysuit in the color copper, and like I said, I have 2 of these exactly the same except for the sizes. This is a size large. Is this the large? I think this is the large. And I like to pick up larger sizes in general, but specifically with Free People, because I can almost never find larger size Free People out in the wild. So when I see something that's larger size and it's Free People and it's cute, I pick it up. This one also has the buttons in the crotch area, and it retailed for $88. And this one is a size large, like I said. The other one is a size extra large. I've never found extra large Free People, ever. So I'm very excited for that. And my child is screaming, so I might have to pause this video. Okay. My 4-year-old is refusing to go to sleep tonight, so that's fun when I'm trying to record 3 videos back to back. Okay, where were we? So Free People in large sizes. I never find them, so I'm very excited for this bodysuit. And like I said, I have a second one here, exactly the same. I will probably leave the second one just in the bag, because when I take pictures of it, I'll just take the picture of the other one and then do a multi-quantity listing and put in the 2 different sizes. So I love picking up the same item in different sizes but the same color, because then I can just do one listing for both, and that saves me some time. Okay, I have 2 more items to show you. They're not Free People, but I think they'll do just fine. Hopefully, we'll see. Backstock has a lot of like PacSun items, and I did not know that this particular brand that I have next was sold at PacSun, but it is John Galt, and John Galt is like a Brandy Melville sub-brand. I don't know. I don't really know anything about Brandy Melville other than that they're doing the one size fits all, which is a lie, but whatever. So these are John Galt pants. They're just like a thin, like a cotton probably pant, but they are checkered, plaid, tartan, whatever it's called. I'll figure it out. What are these called? John Galt blue-green plaid slacks. That's what they're called. So this is them. I'm pretty sure they're high-rise, tapered leg. Hello. And they, yeah, like I said, they have a PacSun tag on it. They retail for $38. They do not have a size. I picked up John Galt before and they had a size, so this is just interesting to me. But yeah, one size, or yeah, one size fits some. That's really what it should say. I would say probably best for like a medium, but I'll definitely take measurements, and people who look for those brands, I think generally know how they fit and if they will fit their bodies or not. So we'll see how this one does. So John Galt pants. And then the last item also has a PacSun tag on it, and it's just Kendall and Kylie. It's Kendall and Kylie with the ampersand and not the plus, which is not as good as Kendall and Kylie with the plus. So I don't know. I don't think people really know the difference in terms of buyers. So in any case, this looks like crap holding it up, but I think I have a stock photo for this. It's a romper, little short sleeve, and then just the shorts part down here has this little belt detail, black. I'm doing a horrible job at showing this. You want to buy it from me? So it's Kendall and Kylie. It retailed for $45, and it's a size medium. I think it's cute for summer. I'm pretty sure this is also just a cotton blend of some sort. It feels like it could be linen, but I doubt it. It does have pockets in case that's important to you. It certainly is important to me. I cannot find the care tag, but it could be, oh, there it is. Oh, where we go. What are you? Oh, it's 100% cotton, so that's not bad. Yeah, I have some Kendall and Kylie in my closet that is not selling for me, so I really have no business picking this up. But I like rompers, and I'm hoping by next summer people will still be wearing rompers, and it's cute and it's new with tags. So I forgot to tell you guys what I want to list things for. So the Kendall and Kylie, like I said, it retails for $45. I'm probably gonna list it at about 28 to 30, hoping to get between 23 and 25, I guess. I would be okay with that. It is new with tags, so hopefully that'll help out a little bit. The John Galt pants retailed for $38. I will probably list them for $28, hoping to get between 20 and 25. The Free People copper bodysuit. Did I mention what I'm going to list this for? I don't think I did because my child was interrupting. But it retailed for $88, so I think I'm going to list this for 40, maybe 45. It's two larger sizes, so as much as I don't want to charge up for having larger sizes of Free People items in my closet, I also think they're more sought after, so I don't know yet. I think I'm going to list it for 45, hoping to get between 35 and 40. So, and then I did tell you about the other two items and how much I'm hoping to get for them. Sorry, it's a bit of a crazy video. It's when you have a 4-year-old, you know, quiet time is not guaranteed. I always record my videos at night because he's usually asleep. But yeah, sometimes you just need to go be mom for a second. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will wrap this up because I have one more video to film. But if you enjoy content like this, even if it's a little bit crazy sometimes, and even if, you know, there's a child crying in the background and interrupting, maybe you're a mom who resells too, and maybe you're into that kind of thing, or maybe you can at least relate to that kind of thing. Please consider hitting the like button, the subscribe button, and come back for more videos. I do have more unboxings coming up, and I also have weekly What Sold videos every Tuesday, and then I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. So yeah, stay tuned for more. I will see you guys on Tuesday for What Sold, and I have another unboxing coming up next week on Friday. So see you guys then. Bye.